Atikur Rahman. Atikur Rahman, I want to ask the question straight off the bat. Was Tahir Hussain convicted by the court because of his religion? Because 6 others who have been acquitted also belong to the same community. Why is this being made into an issue by politicians? Is it right to do so simply because every individual and their culpability has been seen on merit? Why muddy the waters for political gain and appeasement?
Navika ji, I am not ready to believe that Tahir Hussain was convicted because he was a Muslim. But I am quite convinced that Anurag Thakur, Kapil Mishra and all other BJP leaders who participated in the Delhi riots, they were made ministers because they were Hindus.
I object.
They were from the BJP.
I'll give you time to counter, allow him to complete.
Now, my convictions can go wrong. I haven't completed, Pradeep. So, Navika ji, there is one upright Justice Muralidhar. He had asked the government to book all those like Anurag Thakur and Kapil Mishra in Delhi riots case, but they were made ministers. What do I think about them? If you are ready to convince me that Tahir is convicted not because of his Muslimness, then why are these Hindus made ministers despite a justice who is now sitting in the UN Human Rights Commission? He was not, promoted to the Supreme Court bench because he gave something which was against the ruling BJP. What do I believe? Am I not a citizen of India? I have my own convictions. And I, for God's sake, will not tolerate anything. If the courts are convicting, he is going into appeal. Tomorrow might be he is freed. That time you won't run this debate. If Muslims are, they are let off from the courts, Navika ji never have any discussions on them. Scores of them were let off by the courts, even in bomb blast cases, even Tablighi Jamaat case. You never apologize, Navika ji. The smear campaign which the entire media, the mainstream media ran about Tablighi Jamaat falls flat in the court of law. They were all Muslims. They were targeted, Navika ji. You had targeted them. Various other channels.
In this case, the Hindus were targeted. In this case, the Hindus were targeted. Will you are blaming the media. Will you ever mention about Hindus when they are targeted? Ishkaran Mandari, is that not a very convenient position to take? Talk about one community, forget the other. What they are blaming others for, isn't that exactly what they do themselves?
Navika ji, in Tahir Hussein's case, there is testimony that Kafiron ko maro was the slogan in the area. But before delving further into it, 2 short legal points on Umar Khalid. It is said that when you are young, you are a leftist, but when you grow up, you become sensible. But Vivek Srivastava has taken the opposite journey. From a leftist, he's become a Naxal. Because he said, Umar Khalid case mein hearings hi nahi ho rahi. If you do not get bail, that does not mean case ke andar hearing nahi ho rahi. And how often did the accused take time, take dates, try to challenge every order to the highest court, withdraw petitions? All that delay which was caused by the accused has been documented in court orders, and you cannot take the benefit. 1 second, please don't interrupt. I didn't interrupt you. And all the misinformation you are spreading here is a typical Naxal tactic. Please don't do it. Now coming back to the case. Because you are misinforming the viewers कि case में hearing ही नहीं हो रही. India, every case hearing is happening because you don't get bail orders. Does not mean hearing नहीं हो रही. Now let me come to the other aspect of Tahir Hussein's case. Please understand. अरे पोस्टपोन नहीं हो रही. डिफेंस अगर डेट ले, डिफेंस अगर अक्यूज बोले मुझे टाइम चाहिए जवाब देने के लिए, कोर्ट गिव्स latitude to defense, because if court does not give you time, you will say I'm not getting a fair hearing. But Navika ji, I want to make my point uninterruptedly. Your audience is smart enough. These are all a part of record. The audience has seen it.
आप पहले ये पढ़ के आइए. Why the case of Umar Khalid is taking so long? First you read up that. We will provide you with further research. Ishkaran, lower all other faders.
Yes. Now let me come to the case at hand. Now, yes, thank you. This is not our courts are not Naxal kangaroo courts that you can pass orders the way you want to pass. There's a procedure. Now let me come to Tahir Hussein's case. The highest building in the area was turned into a weaponry, and that weaponry is not only here. The entire strategy where you throw stones, pelt stones from the rooftop using it as a projectile to kill people, where you use women and children in the forefront of your agitation, and that model was replicated in other places also. कितनी बारी खोपा गया IB officer अंकित शर्मा को, वो कोर्ट का रिकॉर्ड है. But the bigger danger, Navika ji, I want to cover today. Thankfully, media and you are covering these cases, but these are not new heroes which you started the debate with. The hero was Yasin Malik, whom the Prime Minister will meet, Afzal Guru, the teacher, or Burhan Wani, or Hafiz Saeed, or Osama bin Laden. So it's been going on for a very long time. It's only today that media is holding to count. In Tahir Hussain case, what is the most dangerous part? He has been convicted, but all those politicians who try to defend him and create unrest in society by saying ये मुस्लिम है इसलिए इसके पीछे पड़े हुए हैं. Also the media, entire YouTube and some channels daily were giving sympathetic coverage to Tahir Hussain, putting his defense out, covering for him. They need to be called for account because he is punished, they are not punished, and they are the greater.
That narrative will not be questioned. What will be questioned is why is somebody defending a young IB official who went from home to attend office and then never returned back, was thrown in a drain, and the court has said there were petrol bombs, there were Molotov, all kinds of arrangements had been made by Tahir Hussain. And Vivek Srivastava, you want to defend a man like that?
Madam, see.
And Hidma is a role model. Do you have the conviction to condemn the statements of Bhupesh Baghel and the MLA from Chhattisgarh?
Let me speak. I feel a corporator from Aam Aadmi Party, a party in power, it's common sense, will never do something like this to harm his own.
So the judgment, so the judgment is not common sense. You have better sense than the judges themselves. You have better sense. Fantastic. Now,
No.
the common sense tells him that Tahir Hussain, a corporator of the then ruling party, will never do anything like this.
That's the exactly
why should
communist
harm his own
Naxal
career?
common sense, because on record on 22nd November 2025, the CPIM had issued a letter saying that Hidma, a Naxal terrorist Hidma, was quote unquote tortured, quote unquote is innocent. So his official line is that a Naxal terrorist who has killed our security forces is an innocent man. And that is what the moot of the entire debate is, Navika ji, that whether it is Ashwini, the Congress party, whether it is Vivek, whether it is the Mr. Khan Yaut, none of them are able to call out terrorists, rioters belonging to the Muslim community.
And